Now let us start with the preposition. First of all, we will see the definition of preposition. Preposition is a word which is usually placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with some other words in a sentence. For example, there is a book on the table. I am fond of hot coffee. The girl jumped into the river. Now, this preposition is placed before this noun. Here again the preposition of is placed before the noun. Here again it is placed before the noun. So once again we come back to the definition. Preposition is a word which is usually placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with some other words of noun or pronoun. For example, here it is showing relation between one noun and another noun. Here again it is showing relation between adjective and noun. Here again it is showing relation between verb and noun. So preposition is a word which is placed before noun or pronoun to show its relation with some other word in a sentence. So this way it becomes clear that here it is showing relation between noun and noun, and in the next sentence it is showing the relation between adjective and noun, and in the next sentence it is showing relation between verb and noun. Now the table, hot coffee, the river, it is called the object of the preposition. Now once again, a preposition may have two or more objects. The way here it has got one object, it may have two or more objects. For example, this road runs over hill and plain. So here it has got two objects. She gave sweets to Sonu, Monu and Tina. Here it has got three objects. Now the word preposition itself means that which is positioned or placed before the noun or pronoun it governs. So here we can see it is placed before the noun and pronoun which it governs. Now the remaining part we will see. There are certain exceptions to the rule which we will see. The preposition is placed at the end when the object of the preposition is a relative pronoun. That the preposition is always placed at the end. For example, this is the book that I was searching for. Now here the preposition is coming at the end. This is the picture that she was looking at. Here the preposition is coming at the end. Now the second condition is when the object of the preposition is interrogative pronoun. Here again the preposition is placed at the end. What are you searching for? Here this is interrogative pronoun. What are you looking at? Interrogative pronoun. Whom are they waiting for? Interrogative pronoun. So in both these conditions you may see that the prepositions are coming at the end of the sentence. So these are the exceptions to the given rule. The way I told you before that preposition is always placed before noun or pronoun. So these are the exceptions to the rule. Now we will see the types of pronoun. Now today we will discuss the kinds of preposition. So preposition there are 6 types. First of all, simple preposition or single word or monosyllabic. As, on, in, at, by, these are the words which comes under the simple preposition. Now the second one is compound preposition, as these words about, above, across. Now you can see these are also single word preposition, but they are bisyllabic. These are monosyllabic, they are bisyllabic. So they are compound preposition. Now the third one is double preposition, as outside of, out of, from, behind. from beneath, from among, from under, from within, etc. Now this monosyllabic and bisyllabic I will discuss at the end of the video. Now let us see the remaining types of prepositions. In the meanwhile, you can have a screenshot of these. Now the next one is participle preposition, as varying concerning, considering, notwithstanding. So these are the present participle. They have come to be used as preposition. For example, pending further instruction, you are transferred to the sub branch. Phrasal preposition. These are the phrasal prepositions. You can have a pick of this, and still some of the phrasal prepositions are left, and the last type is left. That we will see just after this. In the meantime, you can have a snapshot of this. The remaining part of phrasal preposition I have written here, and the last one is disguised preposition, as o'clock stands for off clock. Thrice a week is equal to thrice in a week. Now basically prepositions are concerned with position, place, time, movement, direction. So now in the next video we will see the detail how to use the different preposition. But before that, I would like to make a video which will include how to differentiate between a preposition and an adverb. So that I will define in the next part of this video. Thank you. Now we will see the difference between a preposition and adverb. There are some words which are sometimes used as preposition, sometimes they are used as adverb. So how to differentiate between them? Have a look at the sentences given below. Now preposition will always have noun or pronoun as its object, and adverb always modifies verb, adverb or adjective. Now look at these examples. The book lies on the table. Now here it is the object of this preposition. Now let us move on. Here this is qualifying the verb move. Now in the second example, the parrot is in the cage. Here this is the object of the preposition in. Please come in. Here it is modifying the verb come. He will come after a month. Here it is the object of this preposition after. His father arrived soon after. Here it is qualifying the adverb. Now in the next example, she is behind us. This is the object of the preposition behind. She is a long way behind. Now a long way is an adjective. This is long is qualifying the noun way, and this behind is qualifying the adjective. So here it is used as an adverb. Now in the next example, he stood before me. This preposition is followed by this object. He has come here before. Now here this word before is qualifying this verb. Okay. He ruled over a vast empire. This is the object of the preposition. Now in the next example, take this parcel over to the post office. Here it is qualifying the verb take. Same way in the next example, she got off the bus stop. Here preposition is followed by this object. She got off at the bus stop. Now here it is qualifying the verb. Same way in the next example, this is the object of the preposition. In here it is climb, qualifying the verb climb. Same way, in the next example, this is the object. Yesterday is the object of this preposition. And in the next example, this since is qualifying the verb. Now in the next example, this is the object of this preposition about. In the here, this is qualifying the verb run. In the last example, this is the object of the preposition up. Now here it is qualifying the verb went. So this way we can differentiate between preposition and adverb. Here in this case there is an object. Here in this case it is modifying either verb, adverb or adjective. Now before I start uses of the different preposition, still a few things are left that I will mention. Now as I said before, there are different type of preposition. Preposition of direction such as to and from, saying something about the direction. Preposition of time such as in and on. Preposition of place such as at and on. Now somewhere in the beginning I said I will describe about the syllables. So here I have written monosyllabic, look and book. Bisyllabic, blanket like blank plus cat, reading, read plus ing, button but plus turn, water, wa plus ter. So these are bisyllabic. Trisyllabic is computer. For example, in Hindi, Ram, Sam, Sita. Here, Hare Ram, Radha Krishna. Radha Krishna, 2 syllables. Ram, 1 syllables. So this way you can understand the monosyllabic and bisyllabic. In the next video we will discuss about the uses of different preposition. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanjay Singh Wizard of English. Thank you.